English listed, he can't
So,
understand my English. Yeah.
okay, ever he made any like fun of you because of you are unable to speak English? So, ever he made fun of you in your initial journey that you have the interest of learning this language, but you try to collaborate with him. And when he found that you are not, he's not understanding you, so he made fun of you or not? I also face such situations, bad situations. Even I think I never forget this incident. Like when where I was trying to use such things were so difficult for us.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah. Am I audible? Yeah, I'm doing absolutely fine. What about you?
Yeah, thank you for asking. I'm also pretty well.
Yeah, thank you for asking to me as well. So yeah, for the first time we are meeting here, and after trying out so long time, and today luckily it happened.
Yes, yes,
So
of
it's
course.
very nice meeting with you.
Okay.
Uh,
So we are introduce ourselves, yeah.
know that my name is Sudapa Paul, and I have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
And I completed my master's. I did MA in education from IGNOU University, and like few months back, I was being a private school teacher, and then I moved to in a work from home. There, I just gave software demonstration to customers, and along with that, I run this YouTube channel.
Okay, okay,
I have
amazing.
been living with my family since my childhood. I never moved to anywhere like for study purpose or job purpose. I never moved to anywhere. And like what else? Hobbies. I love talking to people and listening music and watching movies. These are my like current hobbies. I would
Okay,
say.
okay,
This
amazing.
is all about me.
Okay. So actually, where are you from?
So I sorry, I didn't mention that. Okay,
Yes.
I come from Assam. I hail from Assam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, amazing.
And what about you?
Yeah, I'm
What's your
from
location?
Rajasthan, Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Okay. Yes,
Yes.
yes. Jaipur, Rajasthan. How many kids do you have?
Yeah, I blessed with a daughter. She's around 4 years
Mhm.
old. Yes.
Okay, 4 years old. And
Yes.
which class she is in? Which standard?
She's in KG, LKG.
KG
Yeah.
standard. Okay. So how's your English learning journey has been going?
Yeah, I can say going great. Uh,
Great. Okay. Currently, anything you have incorporated in your daily routine just to enhance your communication? Anything
Related to
new
this
you have
language.
included? Yeah,
Okay.
related to this.
Small, small stories I told my daughter. So
Okay.
that's also in before going to bed. And in I write down also. I have the habit of journaling. So that's
Wow,
how's my
that's great.
day shaping. So that also I write down. And
For
sometimes
how long you have been doing that?
that
That's
story,
journaling things. Journaling things for how long you have been doing that? It's been how long?
I think 3, 4 months. Not yes,
Okay. And
yes,
are you doing that consistently? Like people often they lose their consistency. That's why I asked you. Like, are you doing that consistently?
yes, yes.
Three, 4 months, it's good enough time.
Yes, yes. I'm consistent. I'm try to consistent every day. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
great. In my side, I never been to, never in writing. Okay, I always try to skip that developing writing skills in me. Initially, like when I came across that four skills are required, these are reading, writing,
Yes, yes.
listening, speaking. So I found myself like writing, it's quite boring, and I was unable to jot down what things I would write there. And I found like I was making mistakes, grammatical mistakes there a lot. And 2 3 days, after hardly 2 3 days, I try to write down, I try to practice this writing, and the next day I make excuses for myself that okay, that today I don't have time, okay, next day I'll do it. So I started being procrastinating other, like, this work will do later and later. And one day it's just totally, I to take out from my daily routine that writing, I never built this writing habits in me. And but still I would say that this is really great. You can remember the, you can polish your grammatical mistakes, and you can also never forget that spelling of some advanced level words,
Yes,
I
yes,
which I tend to forget some
yes,
spellings.
yes,
So that's good, right? And yeah, tell you, you said that you tell stories to your daughter. You explain in
yes, yes.
English, right? English stories to your daughter. That's great. Uh, so yeah, or anything like, have you experienced that, um, as you said that after creating YouTube channel, you upload some of lots of conversational videos, and you must have conducted lots of sessions with great YouTubers maybe,
Yes,
and
yes.
other people. So how's your experience connecting with them? Anything new you got to know from their side?
Yes, yes. I can say we try to connect with new people every day. I try to connect. So
Yeah.
yes, I learn new thing every day. I can say because our culture also different, and we know that place. So that also I'm curious to know about the place. So that also, and many more thing. Yeah, related to food related. Yeah, that's I enjoy. Yeah. So that's we
Anything
learn.
like helped you to shape your personality just because of connecting with people? Anything happened, like miracle things happen in your life because of meeting stranger, I mean to say virtually, whether it could be like virtually, but I know sharing, expanding our own ideas, getting other ideas. So anything like
Okay.
you
Actually, I
amazed
also
about?
okay.
Hmm.
Actually, I also did my B.Ed after marriage. Yeah. So that time I realized this thing. English is important. Yeah. And after my daughter also. So if I know that language, so I actually atmosphere at home. So that's also feel for her. Yeah. That's I feel, and I
Mm.
love traveling. So this language is helpful for me. Yeah. That's I
Right.
realize so far. Yeah.
Do you have any people in our real life, though, with those you can practice this English language?
Yes. Actually, my husband good in English, and yeah, my brother-in-law
Okay.
also good in English. So, but I
Are they
in
helping
my
you?
initial stage, I try to with my husband talking with in English, but
Yeah.
that I can say not my cup of tea. But after some time, so now, yes, now I can say
But-
now she understand my
mm.
English. Otherwise, in his initial stage, he can't
So,
understand my English. Yeah.
okay, ever he made any like fun of you because of you are unable to speak English? So, ever he made fun of you in your initial journey, that you have the interest of learning this language, but you try to collaborate with him, and when he found that you are not he's not understanding you, so he made fun of you or not
Actually, not fun
that
of
time?
me, but yeah, I starting my yes huge audio call. I used to audio call. So that time I'm not able to yes introduce myself that my condition. So after that is I try again and again that call. So some people yes disconnect that call because of my English. I know.
Okay,
Yes,
okay. Yeah, I understand. Like people, they want to connect with the great speakers.
yes, yes,
That's why they try to skip one by one. Nobody is trying here to help you, giving their time because time is really precious. They are
yes,
in
yes.
rush.
But I
But
think every person is in beginner, in initial stage. Every person after
yeah,
become the
like
not perfect is
even
not,
I
but
also
yeah, yes,
I also face such situations, bad situations. Even I never, I think I never forget this incident. Like when where I was trying to use such applications to practice English,
okay,
speaking English, and that moment, like that person, the opposite person he was preparing for IELTS examination. So you can just imagine that how
yes,
good
yes,
he would be.
that level, yeah,
So he literally laughed at me.
okay,
He just asked me like, do you understand what you are talking about? And I just said, I know I'm making a lot of mistakes. I'll be making it, I know, but I don't want to switch to Hindi language. He
yes,
was
yes,
speaking in Hindi that because at first he started in English, then he with the laughing he switched to Hindi, and he just asked me that. And then he became polite to me and he said, he suggested lots of activities that, okay, you can do that. Because
yes,
somehow
yes,
I also, right, I'm also right. Because as a initial stage, as you said that you also come from Hindi medium school, I also come from government school. So we can relate with each other. So how
yes, yes,
things were so difficult for us, and also you did that B.Ed. Like after the schooling, every like subjects turn into English language, so it becomes quite difficult to comprehend properly the context and everything. And my side, I was till my graduation, I was not using any phone, so phone was not there. I totally relied with the dictionary, hard copy dictionary.
yes,
So
yes,
like words, even you can say that word, one particular word, get the meaning of a word gets changed depending on the context, different context. So I used to get confused because totally relying on a particular dictionary, which just giving a normal meaning of that word, so you will not get the proper meaning when it's switched to other, when it utilized in other context. Different contexts have different meaning. I was not able to understand. I was not able to comprehend properly. Later on, when I started using my phone and started giving time to asking meaning, and nowadays lots of resources are available,
yes,
so
yes,
we can get the clarification from everywhere, like ChatGPT itself. It's a
yes,
huge
yes,
thing we get. We
yes, yes, of course,
there we can ask anything, so it's helping us.
yes.
Yeah.
And I think our human mind, I can say, consume the negative aspect of whatever we happen, so
True, true.
that, and the, if we think the opposite side of the coin, so that time yeah, it's happened, but because of this we improve. Yes, that I can say that another.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
That's true. Like as you explain about, what did you say? We think negative at first.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
I also I
our
have the
mind
doubt.
is
It's like,
consuming
mm,
the negative aspect rather than positive.
yeah, right. True, true. And that's why I just always doubt about myself, and always I used to think like, why am I learning this? Will it be helpful for me in future? Where, because I'm not going to move anywhere. I know my family norms; they won't allow me to pursue any private jobs, living far from my area. Because where I'm living, this is very small town, and making career in private, staying in this area, it's quite impossible. Pretty impossible. So that's
Yes,
the
yes,
reason I
imaginable.
always used to feel like confused that should I learn it or not. But luckily, I'm stick to this journey. I'm really fortunate about it.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, of course. Actually, I'm also not earlier aware of many things, small thing, but because of books, I learned so many things and how to live a life, and that also, and because of book, my mindset, I can say now broadened. Yes, that's
Yeah,
I also I feel now, and
yeah.
since childhood I
If
want to
we
learn this language. Yes,
Mm,
I enjoy this language.
right.
Yes, yes,
Because this language can connect with many people, even maybe some of the people they don't have the similar mother tongue, but we can collaborate with this language. And as you mentioned that books, it's really expand our knowledge. And
yes, yes,
being a woman, we are not allowed lots of things, we have certain limitations. Saying like keeping ourselves within these limitations, books the only source which can help us to expand our knowledge, which can develop our personality, which can shape
yes,
our
yes,
personality.
yes, yes, of
I
course.
can like so I just want to ask, like, recently any like amazing things happened in your life? How, like,
Actually, I visited three places. Like, yes,
yeah, you can share your experience
okay,
visiting there.
okay. First of all, Mumbai, and second Goa, and third Gujarat. So
Okay.
actually, I
Which
also
place do
okay.
you like the most? Which place?
Actually, I'm from north side, so I have the dream in my bucket list. I want will go to in Goa. So, but now I
Okay.
can say that recently I covered this place, so now I feel over the moon. Yes,
You're feeling
yes,
amazing, right? You
yes,
completed
and
your dreams.
yes, yes, and yeah, Mumbai also the I can say the Bollywood city. We only watch in movies, watch only in
Yeah.
movies, Mumbai city. So that's also
Mm.
for me new. Now
So,
I can say visit.
okay.
Yes,
Yeah. What about that experience visiting in Gujarat? Gujarat also you mentioned, I
yes,
think.
yes. The Statue of Unity, that is very world tallest monument. So that is around I think 182 around.
Mm.
Yes. So that also I visited and experience. I can say that related to Iron Man, that's monument. So that's also for I can say great experience. Yes.
Yeah, even your child, she can also experience because it is really important during her study in at school. Maybe she will get to know later when will she will promoted to higher classes. She will get to know lots of monuments are there in our India. When she has experienced such things in real, she can relate with, and it will easy for her to remember those things.
Yes,
And
yes.
when we visit in real, so it will remain our mind for longer time rather than just learning through theoretically,
Yes,
right?
yes, of course.
Yeah. So like, yeah, we can wrap up now.
Yes, yes, of
Okay.
course. Thank you
uh,
so much. Give me your precious time. I'm always grateful for that. Yeah. And I enjoy
Thank
this
you.
session.
Thank you so much. Yeah, me too. Me too. I also
Okay.
like that session having. Lovely. It
Okay.
was lovely talking to you.
Okay.
Next time
Okay.
we will meet very soon. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.